I'll be roasting the squash. They're acorn, and I cut off the bottom, scoop out the middle. It's going to be the perfect bowl for me to stuff my basmati rice and curry chickpeas in. But first, I'm going to season it with some olive oil, Italian seasoning, dried thyme, a little bit of umami, all-purpose mushroom seasoning, cardamom, cumin, ginger, turmeric, onion powder, garlic powder, and some salt. So I've mixed that all together. And now I'm going to brush the insides so that this is going to have flavor everywhere. It's going to be amazing. I make this all the time. It has such a wonderful flavor. And it's not a complex dish. Cut it, clean it, season it, drop it in the oven, done. Done and done. Alright, almost there. And the last one. Veggies are super delicious, and depending on how I feel, sometimes I may add extra seasoning like I'm doing right now, or I may just do salt and pepper and just let the natural flavor of the veggie just do what it do, so to speak. Alright, looks well seasoned. Then I'm going to drop this in the oven 45 minutes, 400 degrees. I'm steaming some basmati rice. It's about 2.5 cups of rice. I added a teaspoon of salt, 1 of onion powder, and 1 of garlic powder. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. My curry seasoning mix. It has curry, extra turmeric, added some cumin, coriander, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, a little bit of the umami mushroom seasoning, and some dried herbs to include rosemary and thyme. So now I'm going to drop this in the oil. Let it cook for a little bit. It smells amazing. After 2 minutes on medium low, I'm going to add my cup of coconut milk. This is going to balance out the spices of the curry and give a delicious creamy flavor to the dish. I'm now going to add the chickpeas to the sauce. Mix that in. And let it simmer for a good 15 minutes. The curry chickpeas is finished. The sauce is nice and thick. It coats the spoon. Perfect. The roasted squash is complete. Beautiful color, and it smells amazing. Curry chickpeas, I can't wait. And I have the basmati rice.